Hi, I'm from technical team in Savita Engineering College. This is a video to solve the solution for C++ weekly challenge 4. This challenge 4 is based on friend function. So here this is a question. Develop a C++ program that contains employee name, designation and salary. Employee salary should be secured inside a private access specifier to keep it confidential. So only the confidential file, only the confidential data or any secure data, you will keep those information inside the private access specifier so that the private access specifier cannot be accessed from outside the class. Manager wants to access the employee name along with their salary and the tax amount to be paid. So tax amount will be 10% of salary amount. He uses the friend function concept in order to access the salary of an employee to calculate the tax. Okay, so only in the friend function concept we can access a protected or private information. So that's why the manager is using the friend function concept. So we will see how to solve this. The sample input I have given is the name of the employee as Vivek, designation as tester, salary as 20,000. Okay, the output will be displaying the information of employee, that is Vivek, tester 20,000, and the tax amount to be paid is 2,000. Now we will see how to do the solution. So here first I have included the header file IOStream, then using namespace std, then class employee. Employee is my class name. Inside the class I have given the private access specifier and I have declared the salary. Okay, int salary. So only in the question only the salary is being specified to be given in the private access specifier. So inside the private I am giving only the salary. I'm declaring only the salary. Next, in public access specifier, I'm declaring the string name and designation. Then I have created a constructor employee. Okay, so inside the constructor, I'm getting the employee name, designation, salary from the user. Okay, so after the constructor, I have declared a friend function. So friend function is nothing but it's a function. We will have to add only the keyword friend in front of it. Okay, so as soon as the compiler sees a friend keyword in front of the function, then it understands that's a friend function. Okay, friend is a keyword which has to be added before the function. Okay, so void display employee of. Here you have to give the class name. What and all function, what and all class you are making it as a friend, you have to give the class name. Here I am going to make my employee class alone as a friend. So I'm just giving only the employee. See, I have defined it outside the class. Okay, so friend function you can define it outside the class. Okay, so outside the class I am defining void display of employee E. Okay, here I am creating the object for the employee class. E is my object. Okay, inside the object, inside the function, I am giving cout e dot name space e dot designation space e dot salary. So by this I'll print all these information. Then next line cout taxed amount to be paid e dot salary divided by 100 into 10. That is 10% of salary. Okay, so see here I am accessing the private variable outside the class. Okay, salary is my private variable that I am accessing outside the class. Since it is a friend function, since I am using it inside the friend function, it doesn't throw any error. It will execute correctly. Okay, so now what I am doing is this friend function I have defined outside the class. So since it is defined outside the class, I no need to invoke the function with the object. I can call like a normal function. So inside the main function, I have created an object for class, and see I'm just calling the function as it is. I'm just giving the function name to invoke the function display of, and I'm passing the object name of the employee. Okay, because here I have given employee, so I have to pass the object over here. So whichever class you are using the friend function, those class object you have to pass. Here I am using only employee, so I'm just passing the employee object. So this will be executed correctly. So I hope you would have understood the solution. So only if the solution is correct, both the test cases will be passed. So test case 0 is nothing but our sample test case. Vivek tester having the salary of 20,000, and test case 1 is a hidden test case. Only if both the test cases satisfied, the status will be accepted. Thank you.